In this video, we will be learning how to answer the question such as this. The simple question is, what is the average of even integers from 0 to 100 inclusive is how much greater than the average of even integers from 0 to 50 inclusive? This is one of the questions that we have come across several times. Such questions we have come across several times in actual GMAT, and for this, a basic principle that I have discussed in the previous videos as well is quite useful. The principle that I am talking about is let me quickly bring it on the screen, is here. Now, this is one very important observation that talks about that mean is always equal to the median, and that's always equal to the average of the first and the last term. So, while we had two choices here to find out the average of even integers from 0 to 100, average of even from 0 to 100. Now there are two methods. I just quickly want to discuss the method of the observation that I have discussed. Method 1 is that we find out the number of even integers from 0 to 100 will be equal to 51. How do we get this 51? Because from 1 to 100 there are 50 even numbers and 0 itself one of the even numbers. So that means a total we have 51 even numbers. Now, if we have to find out the sum of them, then that will be equal to 51 divided by 2, the first term, plus twice of a plus n minus 1. That means 51 minus 1 multiplied by t, because it's even integer series, therefore this becomes, and the common difference becomes 2. That becomes 51 divided by 2, 50 multiplied by 2, and finally we get the value, which is 2550. Now the average of even from 0 to 100 becomes 2550 divided by the 51 terms. That becomes equal to 50, right? This is method 1. Now method 2, we can quickly answer it this way, which is the mean is always equal to the median, which is always equal to the average of the first and the last term, which turns out to be 0 plus 100 divided by 2, that is 50. So this is what I just want to emphasize on with the help of this question. I can call it method 2 to calculate the average of such an arithmetic progression, which is certainly far superior than method 1, right? Having done this, this is the mean of all the even numbers from 0 to 100. Now we can also quickly discuss the mean of all even numbers from 0 to 50. So mean 2 will be equal to 0 plus 50 divided by 2, that is equal to 25. What is needed, right? The required output is equal to 50 minus 25, because the question says this average, this 50, is how much greater than 25. So the answer is 25, which is option B. My mistake. And that's how we answer such a question. I hope you understood it. Thank you so much. Let's look forward to the next video that will explain even slightly more difficult things about this arithmetic progression. Thank you so much for watching it here.